Memorial KB Manila, Section C11, studied at Taguig City University, but taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. So, I will be giving you an example of factoring by critical integers. For example, we have 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. Then first, get the common factor of 6x squared, which is 2x and 3x. And then the common factor of negative 10, which is negative 5 and positive 2. Then cross multiply. Next, 3x times negative 5 is negative 15. Then 2x plus 2 times 2 is positive 4. Negative 15 plus positive 4 is 11. Negative 11. So, the common factor of 6x squared minus 11x minus 10 is 3x minus 3x plus 2 and 2x